on motors, box and conduit fill, and we're going to kind of wrap it up with slab work. I'm going to actually take you through each relay and motor starter, and we'll do it in a schematic, a main wiring diagram. See the pointer? I'm actually with this pointer going to take you step by step through every wire and every contact and every button so that you'll thoroughly understand how components work. I'm even going to take them apart, dissect them, disassemble them, and I'll show you in motion. You'll learn how to install a paddle fan. You'll learn all about motors, the proper way to use tools. With the box fill, we're going to take you through each wire, the same way with the conduit fill. You're going to learn how to read the blueprint and how to lay out the slab. See, in the slab work, this is where it all has to come up within the wall. And you'll learn how to mark off these locations and how to heat and bend the conduit and how to make all your home runs back to the distribution area. And you'll learn about the auxiliary gutter and how to put components together. Be an electrician. In this module, we're going to talk about inspection, maintenance, meters. We're going to sum it up talking about troubleshooting. Insulation over a period of years is actually rotted. Looky here, I've got a piece of the insulation. I'm going to show the different damaging effects, say with these connections here, the problems that arise, and how to inspect and look for different signals from the smell or the sound. And you'll see how arcing can start fires in these actual demonstrations that we do. You'll actually see the dead metal object, say a nail in an insulated 2x4. You can see the arcing to the nail here where it actually starts a fire to that paper. A dead metal object. You'll learn all about these electrostatic fields. And when we go to the demonstration boards, I'll take you through every circuit in troubleshooting. And we use test lights. And we'll learn about the double pole, double throw, and how to forward and reverse a motor. And I'll take you step by step down the terminal board with the test lights. And we'll follow this up in animation so that you'll know exactly how to connect a forward and reverse stop-start station. And you'll learn the troubleshooting procedures that follow in motor controls, that you'll know the basic fundamentals. You'll see the normally closed and the normally open contacts. And you'll see as I take you wire by wire through the entire schematic and main wiring diagram to the final cover plate. You'll learn how connecting the green wire will blow the fuse. I think you'll have to agree after watching scenes from these 10 action-packed modules that seeing is an excellent way to learn. I designed this program for one person to study at home, but also this program has been designed to use in schools. Schools throughout the United States have used this program to supplement the electrical training program they have now. Comes with an instructor's guide. What I've done in these modules, I've tried to put over 40 years of knowledge into these videos, into the texts, into the exams, so that when a person completes this program, you can actually say he belongs in the electrical industry. You won't have to go through the aggravations and the frustrations and wait 40 years to compile all this knowledge that I'm offering to you in these 10 modules. You see, the electrical trade is such an exciting trade today. 15 million people, as I speak, work in the electrical industry right now. That's a 20% increase in the last 10 years. It's estimated right now that 6,500 electricians are needed each year just in electrical construction. You see, in the 21st century, the employers are going to start having to competing. They're going to have to compete to find skilled people in the electrical industry. And I want to start you today to learn to be an electrician through, I think, the most exciting program that's ever been offered. Let's get started.